how to log out of Moomoo application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily log out of your Moomoo application. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First things first, launch open your Moomoo application on your smartphone. And once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the Me button at the bottom center. Once you come across this Me menu, scroll down and click Settings. Now, scroll all the way down from the Settings menu and click Log Out to log out of your Moomoo account. Soon after you tap on Log Out, in the pop-up, click Log Out once again and you have successfully signed out or logged out of your Moomoo account. Before you log out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials. So there you have it. Now you can enjoy some offline time knowing your trading station is securely closed up. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.